Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore this challenging series. Alright, so we need to find the sum of 3 minus sine k over 2 raised to the k, where k goes from 1 to infinity. Alright, now we're going to separate this guy into two series. So it's going to be, I'm going to call this one A, call this one B. Now series A is actually geometric series, right? Since the common ratio equals 1/2 less than 1, right? Then the geometric series converges, right? And this is where the geometric series converges. So it's going to be 3 times 1 over 2 over 1 minus 1 over 2. And it's going to be 3, right? Now the second series B. Now this series can be written as 1 over 2 all together raised to the k times sine of k, where k goes from 1 to infinity. This guy actually trigonometric power series, right? And we have the trigonometric power series formula right here. The series r to the k sine of k times angle theta equals r times sine theta over 1 minus 2r cosine theta plus r squared, where absolute value are less than 1, right? So in this situation, r equals 1/2, right? And angle theta right here equals 1, right? So we're going to substitute into this formula. It's going to be 1/2 sine of 1 over 1 minus 2 times 1 over 2 cosine of 1, right? Plus 1 over 4, right? Now I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 4, right? So I'm going to end up with 2 sine 1 over 4 minus 4 cosine 1 plus 1, right? So it's going to be 2 sine 1 over 5 minus 4 cosine 1, right? Now I'm going to go back to the original one right here. It's going to be A minus B, right? So A is right here, right? B is right here, right? So the answer is, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand